In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. To get started, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're on your main inbox screen. This is where you'll be able to create a new email and access the formatting tools you need. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next step. Now look toward the top left corner of the page and click New Message. This will open the email composer where you can write and format your message. If the compose window appears as a pop-up or panel, that's completely normal. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field, then add a subject line and type your message in the body of the email. Once your text is written, highlight the specific word, sentence, or section that you want to resize. Highlighting the text first is important because Yahoo Mail will apply the size change only to the selected text. If you want the entire email to use a different font size, simply select all of the text in the message body before continuing. After that, go to the bottom of the email body field and click the More Options icon. This opens additional formatting controls that may not be visible at first. From there, click the font icon. Once you do, you'll see options for both font style and font size. Yahoo Mail gives you several size choices, including tiny, small, medium, large, X-large, and huge. Choose the font size you want, and you'll immediately see the selected text change in the message. This live preview makes it easy to decide whether the text is too small, too large, or just right for your email. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other parts of the message, especially if you want headings to stand out or certain details to be easier to read. When you're happy with how your email looks, click Send. That will deliver your message with the updated font size exactly as formatted. And that's it. Changing font size in Yahoo Mail is a quick way to make your emails clearer, more readable, and better organized. If you're formatting messages often, it's a good idea to preview the text before sending, so everything looks polished and easy for the recipient to read.